Thermochemistry refers to the study of heat flow or heat energy in a chemical reaction. Heat energy. In the study of thermochemistry, the chemical energy is transformed into heat energy during a chemical reaction. Units of energy. The SI unit of energy is kilogram meter squared per second squared. This was given the name joule. Thus, the SI unit of energy is joule. 1 joule equals 1 kilogram meter squared per second squared. 1,000 joules equals 1 kilojoule.
Remember this. The most common unit of energy is calorie. 1 calorie equals
4.184 joules. Heat energy is what flows into or out of the system because of a difference in temperature between the system and its surroundings. System is a part of the universe on which we focus our attention. For example, a beaker of water is in contact with the hot plate. The water in the beaker is the system.
surrounding is the rest of the universe with which the exchange of heat energy occurs. For example, the hot plate and the beaker holding the water is the surrounding. For practical purposes, only those materials in close contact with the
System.
are called surroundings.
The direction of heat flow must be studied from the system's viewpoint. In this example, when the hot plate is turned on, the water gets hot. In other words, the water temperature increases. Here, the heat flows from the
surroundings
into the system. When the heat flows from the
surroundings
into the system, the process is called
endothermic. In this beaker is barium hydroxide octahydrate. The second beaker contains ammonium thiocyanide. Both are white crystalline solids. Water is poured on the wooden block. The beaker containing the barium hydroxide is placed on the puddle on top of the block. Ammonium thiocyanide is added and the two solids are mixed. The beaker freezes to the wooden block, suggesting that heat is being absorbed by the system. This is called an endothermic reaction.
heat is expressed by the symbol Q. Q, in common terms, is the quantity of heat. Q is expressed in joules or kilojoules.
For an endothermic process, Q is greater than 0, or Q is positive.
When the beaker of hot water is left out by itself, then the heat, Q, flows from the system to the
surroundings.
When the heat flows from the system to the
surroundings,
the process is called exothermic. For an exothermic process, Q is less than 0 or Q is negative. In the aluminum container is a magnesium ribbon. iron Roman numeral 3 oxide is poured into the container. The magnesium fuse is lit and triggers the release of a large amount of energy and the formation of molten iron. This is an